Ima yuraman, ima llanda,
Urito wachansi.
urito wachansi.
Wachansi ruya.
Ajá.
Kaiga mana aparinju ni mikuna ni mats mana aparinju. Kai servime solo mukahata kusangawa, yanungawa, ukta yanungawa ka waira shina kusinan kaiga yanuchun. Urti yanda asha. Chiraigu kaiga servime nyukaga ainya uchata monani. Yapakta tamonani kaita kairuyata. Saki pagaling manini wasi nyuka wasi chusi cita asurani kaita suma yanda sha nyuka astak piga mana chutoma saki pagaling manyuka wasi ni sha siu ni nyuka. Chipa ya siu nyuka tapungi kai karu ta imashina astangi ni sha.
Kamba lugar binya tukui askawarmi kain tono yandar munak pinya pitirium. Suma kilyang kun.
Ay nya muna chakis kamang ya chakis kamang kai wanga muka ha pachaga lolong sina ja chayang me gusto ta.
Lolong sina.
Gusto ta roji ya. Kai chakiri. Chirai go kai ga serving.
Ya.
Chirchi. Nda puspura mana tiakpi kulkiwawas mana tiakpi puspurata mana chari shaga kai urti anda wagunata mas kasha nyukanchi nata pichiganchi chiganya mana wanyo chastan gusto ta pagarin pai. Ya apichis kashinang pagari un gusto ta punjang kay nina ga kay gagang chas na chiray
Fosforo ilyakpi?
Ndaya abes piga maitan nya kulkiwa mana tiak puspur mana tiang chiga nya kay urti anda churas ka ganya chay pagari un mana pagasha mana wanyosh chiga chilata ta amu ga apichin chichiwalanda ya nunchi chas na nyukanchi ukugunay kausag manchi chiray go kay ga baling
Nya rikuching yurara kay masamungi rikuching gaw.
Inda nyukanchi rukuguna chaylawang kalari rukuguna ga mas tius kartamang ya diki kay nya munay tamang ya ipach ka munay kay mariki nya munay chakis kamay ususila acha tamana charingi kay yanda siya wangu rasa parisha kay lambu guna tachi nya pundama ga markachi siya chay suko siya chimanda auto yondari siya
Ima syuti kay yura?
Urito wachansu.
Urito wachansu.
Chimang ali anda nyuka mama pai kausay tiempo mukahata awasha ashkata awasha pai kay anda lata pai hasta chigara minga tarasha chiga wangu kasna kariguna paktasha kasna wangu taraskata warimiguna sa aparisha wing hasta sha yana paganora paiguna chiraigu kaita nyukan chiriksinchi chig yapa ali nya punjang pai pagaring mana kaya wanyo na samita mana wanyo yanda chang kaiga urti yanda mang ali yanda nyuka yapa tamuna ni bacha
Manchu pai wa mal kitianga chay kay nyuk wasi tar kungaw.
kau sagru ya tianguna yangas kau sak tianaw me tianaw jui machari kai biga muy siquiera beri guksa mo sus kamal tanya kapaya sigwa sharok mai kunci
nyaka kaita rikuksa mo yun ni
hindi ko ya
dari kai guni aku na tadi kia kai carang ya pai wawaga
kai manga chichare
kai au tadi ki pai ba mas tikiking
chikau sagmana wanyus kaga chiguna isayanguna chibishayo chibisha iska isayanguna mana wanyus ka chang chikau so
kai au kun to shukuna mas tigana pai ba wo chadana kai guna kai pai ba muyu taga tupanchi mai charin
ay nya ya palya bacha
kai riki pai muyu riki uta
kai ta pingsari mana puli pagarisha kunang
kai
yanda ta
riki
pingsari
pai muyu gariki kai yanda gaima urti yanda charang yai kai muyu tapa wasi punggu yang kasih nih kan lihat tadi
sinay mata
kai uras ka alyang me kai guna charang kai mari ke pai
nya pai mo ni sayang
riku ya ni kes riki kai apa ring mas kai wo guna charano ya mai kan wo guna
sinanda nya
wo vito
siguna sapa ni ngona simati sinistang ni sayang
wo wacang yuka ya mo naksam urito wacang si pulutas ta
Chaita nyukan chamuna chitam Чита такая
Янда Кайга урти, кушилютас чаки чушка, кай пискаду мата вайрашина, чаки чина мангай. Урито ачang si pulu. Kuang masya jusa bilki mama. Kai mang urti ruya nyukaya kai takuluara, kai lata maskashi. Pivita yangaru ya nigara. Sambaru ya. Kai tapai gustagara nyukaya ya. Mai. Bias puri sa luchugara ya nyukaya ya. Kuluna, curi kuciwana. Pulancang masih mamu na muru ya kai. Kaya ya kai pivita kulush kata kai gayanga. Osh patu konar kuta nyuka kucunga miri ni pulutan siya kucunga.
Acha tiaskak pea kai bianda siya saki wag pa ya. Saki wag ni machuni sabjas na.
Sir tumanga limang ya kai. Kambaru na kuna takucu chamar kang cingge tumas. Imam na ika imang nyukan cerigai cayanu na tay lalu muyanu syaswan.
Lancanga imak pasmuru gai.
Na imang kaita nyukas nyukaya.
Cagara se mas nyukan ciga kai bamuru
Kai nyukaya galucu japuri gara mai.
Apa siya gara nyukat pelancangawa. Pai bamuyu agunas kavinyaris kati.
Uy, Diyos ya kaita siwasi pai gunaray kucurang mapay na kuyanong gawa ka kaita kusanga.
Ay kai mamunay muru yan na
Mamunay. Paiwanga kimsa pakilanda yanunay. Huluy ka. Kaila chumuru ya ka ko ay.
Yang pa cagay, yang gayan.
Kai wanyu kai ka ma. Tukuri siya pai gawanyo ka kaita tortiro anyo kaya ganyo gara yan. Ya. Emang tumas. Kambaru na ko ata kucu siya marka cinggi. Ciu kala partisa.
Tianja malki.
Malki, ты мне кайча рано я не сейчас рекустение, томас нюка, апана я сейчас реку.
Machete wa luksishunga ansa maitu samaitu nyuka munani tarpunga nyukanchi.
Нюка вас мунаними, нюка вас и пунгу я пангова. Mana kai bamu yo? Mana ciga mah ciring kau kang wakan? Kai. Pero kai bi me muyu kara ga tiang ya kaya kai bi chim uri tua chang se muyu kara riki kas na riki.
What I enjoy coming out here with these ladies, especially when there's a number of them, is you get the feel of what it was in the old days when they lived hunting and gathering off the forest. They get so excited over different species that they see. And I'm especially interested in all of the different plants that have to do with the ceramic art. And all the great excitement over this tree has to do with that it is the favorite kind of wood that they use to fire their ceramics. And there isn't any of this wood left where they live because they've cut it all down practically to make their ceramics. And so they come across this tree and you hear them saying like, "Oh my God, Holy Virgin," etc. "Ay, Dios mío, Virgen Santa," they're saying, "What lovely wood. Boy, my father would have loved to see wood like this. My mother would have loved to see wood like this. If only we had an axe, we could cut it down and make this wood right now, and we could take it back in your pickup, then we could ship it back, take it back to our homes, and we could use it. This is just beautiful wood, look at that. It's dry all the way up to the top." All of this excitement is just over finding their favorite kind of wood that makes the best kind of ceramics. A little earlier we were filming them with the stories around the tree where they get the glaze. And it's interesting because we're traveling with a group of traditional women in the forest, and so they're reacting to the things that they use in their in basically in female arts and female works like the ceramic art. But what's interesting to me is it's not necessarily the men that go out and find these things for them to use. They travel out in the forest themselves and they respond emotionally to the different plants and animals in terms of how these different plants and animals work with them to help them carry out their type of work, their ceramic arts. So that's what this is. You see I think a group of sisters and nieces and aunts having fun in the forest, engaging the species that they collect. A ceramic artist. Do you have any? What's your sense of watching these Amazonian ladies out here collecting the materials for their ceramic arts? Do you have any thoughts?
It's really interesting because, I mean, the way we do ceramics, like in the States and stuff, it's so far removed from like the raw resource from where the clay came from, and you know, the kiln is just like this big metal thing, and it's really interesting. It's almost, you don't even think about like people still do like art in this really raw way that's so connected to nature, and I think it just meshes really well with the whole way that like the art itself, they use like the designs are from nature and then the materials are straight from nature as well. It's just really refreshing to see. Yeah, definitely.